Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.info channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily enable the LDAC codec in your Nothing Headphones 1. So this is the Nothing X official application. If you don't know how to install this application and pair it with your mobile, check our channel because we have a video for that. And here in this application we have to scroll down to the device settings here. Now we have to tap high quality audio here, and here we do have the AAC or LDAC. We have to tap LDAC, and now we have to reboot our headphones. So now we just have to wait a moment until our application loads in and headphones will be rebooted. Now as you can see, it works. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye, have a nice day.